Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take your vitamin D capsule with milk. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin, meaning it needs fat to be properly absorbed by your body. Milk contains this essential fat, which can significantly boost the absorption of your vitamin D. In fact, taking your vitamin D with a meal containing fat can increase its absorption by up to 50%, making your supplement much more effective. For optimal absorption, simply take your vitamin D capsule with a full glass of milk, ideally around 8 ounces. You can choose whole milk or 2% milk, as both contain sufficient fat content to aid in absorption. Many find it most beneficial to take their vitamin D with their largest meal of the day, ensuring there's enough dietary fat present for maximum benefit. Beyond just aiding vitamin D absorption, milk offers additional benefits. It provides calcium, which works synergistically with vitamin D to support strong bone health. Remember, consistency is key. Try to take your vitamin D capsule at the same time every day to establish a routine. And, as always, consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice regarding your specific vitamin D dosage and needs. To summarize, taking your vitamin D capsule with milk is a simple yet highly effective way to boost its absorption. The fat in milk helps your body utilize the vitamin D much more efficiently. Remember to choose milk with some fat content, like whole or 2%, for the best results. Make this a consistent part of your daily routine to maximize your vitamin D benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.